LeetCode 619, biggest single number. A single number is a number that appeared only once in the MyNumbers table. Find the largest single number. If there is no single number, report null. The result format is in the following example. We're going to solve this easy LeetCode question in both SQL as well as Python Pandas, where I take you step by step to achieving both solutions. Let's start coding. All right, so our example over here, we have my numbers table. You can see 8, 8, 3, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6. Our final answer is 6 because it's the largest number and everything else has been repeated. Example 2, we have all repeats and then we have a null as a final answer. Let's get coding. So the first thing that I want to do is create a CTE at the very top, but let's build out this SQL statement inside of it. So we're going to say select our num, and then we're going to select our count. I'm just going to label this count as number of times. So number of times like this. All right. And I'm going to say from, and it's called my numbers as the table. So from my numbers, and then we're going to say group by num. So what this will tell us is how many times that specific number is in a table. I'm going to wrap this up in a CTE. So I'm going to say with total nums as, and we'll throw the CTE in here. We'll grab what's in the inside, paste it in there, and that way we can select from this down below. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a select. I'm gonna say max. Why I use max also is it'll fit the criteria of representing null if there is no number. So I'm gonna say max num as num like this. I'm gonna say from total nums, and I'm gonna say where number of times equals 1 because we just want this number shown once. So equals 1. Then I'll run this. I'm assuming no errors, this will be my final solution and it's been accepted. And I know that because I've already submitted this. So one more time, what I'm doing is I'm essentially grouping by this num and I'm counting the number of times it's shown in this table. I'm throwing this in as CTE so I can query from it later. Next, I'm grabbing the max num in that table from total nums, which this is what I just created. And I'm only looking for number of times equals 1 because we don't need duplicates. And just like that, this question is over for the SQL side of things. Let's jump into Python Pandas, which is a little bit more difficult. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is set up a new df. So new df like this, and then what I'm gonna say is equals my numbers dot group by, and then I'm gonna put over here num because we're grouping by our num. Then we're gonna do size, so size like this. And then we're going to reset our index. So dot reset index. And then we're going to call this name equals number of times. So number of times like that. Okay. Then we're going to say is my num filtered equals, and we're going to look inside new df. So new df, inside of new df, we're going to specifically look at this number of times. So we're going to say new df. We'll have a number of times, which I'm just going to copy and paste that. And we're going to say that has to be equal to 1. So equal to 1 like that. Then we sort values. So sort values. We're going to say by equals our num. And then we're going to do ascending equals false because we want the highest number first. So ascending equals false like that. Okay. And then we're going to set up final. So final equals, and we're going to say my number filtered over here. And we're going to say on this side is just going to be a few things. Number one, I'm going to drop the other columns, which is just number of times. You don't have to do this. You can just literally call one specific column at the very end. I'm going to do that. So we're going to say columns equals, and then we're going to say number of times because we don't need this anymore in our data frame. And then also at the very end, I'm just going to say head 1 because we just want to grab the top value. Then what I'm going to do is build out our test case where we have no numbers to represent at the very end. So we're going to say if length of final equals 0, we're going to say null df on here equals, and we're going to create a data frame. So pd.dataframe, and inside here, we're going to have a dictionary. We're going to say num, and then we're going to say inside over here, this is going to be np.nan. Okay, should be good there. And then return our null df. And then we're going to have our else, and we're just going to return final. Return final. And let me just run this code. Hopefully no errors. It's been accepted. So let me explain this code one more time. What we're doing is we're first grouping by that specific number, and we're seeing how many times it's represented. That's why we're doing size. We're creating a new column called number of times. Next, we're filtering. So we just want to have number of times equals 1. So each unique number. And we're going to sort values by num. So that way we have the highest number first and lower numbers below it. Finally, what we're going to do is just drop the number of times column. Don't technically have to do that. You could build this out a little bit more efficiently, but I'm just going to drop it because I wrote this originally. And then we're just grabbing head 1, so we grab that top result. And then we're just doing an if else statement. Just in case the length of this final is 0, we just want to return our null value. We're doing np.nan over here, num np.nan, creating data frame from that, and then we return the data frame. Else we just return the final, which we've already established. And just like that, this question is, well, the SQL on this one was pretty simple. Python Pandas, a little bit more difficult, almost approaching that medium level. Hope you guys are able to follow along and achieve both solutions. If you were and you're brand new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. I'm uploading multiple videos every single week. And if you're studying LeetCode, I have a full playlist right over here with solutions. These videos are tailored more towards like a data analyst or a data scientist.